If your Siemens dishwasher is not draining, you could be looking at an issue with your drain pump. Hi, my name is Solomon and welcome to eSpares, the appliance repair channel that helps you fix your home appliances yourself. Today we are going to look at the Siemens Dishwasher E23 error code, namely what it is and how you can fix it. Now on some models the same problem could also be displayed as an E61-02 error, and it will flash alternately on your display. Seeing either one of these codes on your appliance will usually indicate that your dishwasher pump is blocked and water cannot be drained. This is why another symptom of this problem will be water collecting in the sump. Thankfully, fixing this issue is very simple. So in this video, we will explain how you can clean your dishwasher pump. Always remember, safety first. Switch off your appliance from the mains and unplug it before carrying out any work. So first of all, we need to open the door and remove the bottom basket and just place it to one side. Before we can show you how to check the dishwasher drain pump, we need to make sure there is no water in your appliance. If the sump is flooded, we need to use a small tub or bowl, or in this case cup, and drain it manually as much as possible. Once you remove most of the water, you then remove the spray arm, which just pops out like so. This part might be quite unpleasant. You will need to clean the filter from the food debris and any potential blockages. That will help the drainage process for a thorough clean. You should separate the filter unit, squeeze the two tabs on the fine filter, and then pull it through the mesh filter, like so. You can insert them in warm water and a bit of washing up liquid, then use a soft brush to gently scrub the sides. To reassemble, simply click the mesh filter back into place, like so. Now grab your torch and look inside the sump. In the middle of the dishwasher, you will find the pump cover to the right hand side closer to the door. Remove it by pushing the release tab to the right hand side and lifting it away. Like so. Now this cover could potentially be the cause of the problem. Check its condition and make sure it's clean. It's not a bad idea to give it a good scrub as well. Additionally, make sure the sump itself is clean and free from any debris. Finally, at the back right hand side of the sump, you will find a vent. This will need to be cleared as well. To avoid this issue in the future, it's best to clean your filter at least once a month. And to keep your appliance in great condition, you can purchase the eSpares dishwasher cleaner. To find out all about it, click the video here. Now that you've done all your checks, it's time to reassemble the appliance. First we need to put back the pump cover and make sure that's clicked into place. We then put the filter back in. Again, just make sure that is clicked into place. You can go ahead and refit the bottom spray arm into place like so, and then refit the bottom tray. We hope that this tutorial has helped you figure out how to unblock your dishwasher pump and resolve those error codes. Remember, taking the time to regularly clean out your appliance will help you prevent this issue from occurring in the future. To learn about other error codes on your Siemens dishwasher, check out our playlist below. We have many more maintenance guides and repair videos, so make sure you subscribe to our channel for all things eSpares. Thanks for watching.